because beauty event is coming this October 12 and 13. And I hope to see you there kasi meron tayong meet and greet. Just so you know that meron tayong tickets. Let's start from the bronze. The 1 day, it's only 200 pesos. If you want to attend the 2 days, it's 300 pesos naman. You will have 20% discount at beauty outlet. You will have an access to all booth area, a souvenir. Of course, may lucky draw kayo na chance. So for the silver ticket, for the first day is 450 pesos.
And if you want to attend for 2 days, 700 pesos na lang.
Meron kayong 30% discount when you shop at the beauty outlet. And you have access to all the booth area. Meron pa kayong silver goodie bag that's worth 1,000 pesos. So more than your ticket. And of course, may lucky draw chance kayo ulit. Yung gold naman, good for 2 days na siya. 1,000 pesos naman siya. You will get to have a meet and greet with your favorite celeb. Meron kayong photo session with your favorite celeb, a 30% discount at beauty outlet, a 2-day pass, and access to all the booth area. A gold goodie bag that's worth 2,500 pesos. So more than your ticket again, di ba? And of course, laging may lucky draw chance. Last but not least ay yung platinum. 5,000 pesos naman. Whoa, grabe, 5,000. However, you will get the chance to meet and greet all the celebs. Meron pa tayong mga photo sessions with all the celebs. Meron pang 30% discount at your beauty outlet. You will have a 2-day pass and access to all booth area. You'll have a platinum goodie bag which is worth ng 8,000 pesos. Wow! Sobrang laki nun. Ang dami nun, Best Prince. And of course, meron kayong lucky draw chance. How do you purchase this? You download Caris app or go to the website hicaris.net/Crisha Uy. You go under my name so that makuha nyo lahat yung price na yun. If plano nyo naman bumili ng ticket on the day itself, wala naman pong problema doon. But don't expect it's the same price, okay? Medyo may dagdag konti doon. You can see how to pay it. Alam ko may debit, may credit, may cash. Okay? So, ang daming yung choices dyan, Best Prince. I hope to see you there, Best Prince. And I would like to thank Caris for this event na in-invite nyo ako at you gave me a chance meet and greet my Best Prince. Salamat kaayo, Best Prince! See you soon!